If you see the warning multimedia system temporarily unavailable in your Peugeot 208, this means the software of the infotainment unit has experienced a problem. Usually this happens in cold temperatures, but it may also be random. When this happens, your multimedia may start changing radio stations on its own choice, turning Bluetooth on and off, making calls using your phone, or glitch in any possible way. There are several solutions for this problem. First of all, you may want to try a reset by pulling out the fuse of the radio for several minutes or disconnecting the battery. The quick reset by holding the power button down for 10 seconds most likely won't work in this case. If this doesn't help or the problem comes back soon, you may try installing the new software version. By pressing and holding the upper button on the infotainment system, you may see what version of software you have and then research in forums and find the updated file. You will also need to prepare the USB stick, format it in FAT32, and then put the updated file there. After that, just insert the USB stick into the slot when the infotainment is on and the system will update. Software updates will help in 50% of cases, but if they don't, the problem is actually with the infotainment screen. In the Peugeot 208, the infotainment unit is badly protected from heat when the sun beams affect it. Also, these screens seem to be afraid of sub-zero temperatures and start failing in winter. While the cars were under warranty, it was a good idea to make the dealership replace the infotainment system. Now, when the warranty is no longer active, the most obvious thing to do in this case is to find a good aftermarket option with an Android system in it and just replace it in a good independent garage. Buying a used OEM screen is also an option, but given that it's quite outdated and also prone to the same faults, it doesn't make much sense, in my opinion.